Good afternoon, class 8. How are you all? Hope you all will be fine in your home and doing good. So, students, in the last class, we have completed chapter number 10 up to the hormones other than sex hormones. Okay, reaching the age of adolescence chapter and topic hormones other than sex hormones. The hormones and their functions we have already completed in the last class, and our next topic is reproductive health. Okay, reproductive health. We have to start this topic, reproductive health. So let's start this one. So reproductive health related means health of an individual is defined as his or her state of physical, social and mental well-being. How a individual, whether it is a boy or a girl, how it is maintained state of their physical, social and mental being. This is called related to the reproductive health. To keep the body healthy, every human being needs to a balanced diet. Okay, everyone needs a balanced diet. सबको एक प्रॉपर अमाउंट पे खाना खाना चाहिए. प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन, पर्सनल हाइजीन, फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज एंड मेंटेनिंग गुड हैबिट्स टू बी हेल्थी एंड fit. These are the some small reason that every individual should have to maintain in its life, maintain a good habit. Okay, this is essential for the growth of the body also, and these all things are essential for the growth of the body to maintain good physical health. Okay, and exercise daily, maintain a good habits, to be a hygienic. ठीक है, hygienic होना चाहिए सबको. So these type of things we have to do in our daily life. Okay, so one by one we are going to discuss the detail how to be healthy in our daily life. We have to fit and keep healthy ourselves in our daily life. How? So here are some topics are given, just like first one in your book, page number 147. Nutrition needs of the adolescents, personal hygiene, physical exercise, say no to drugs, and these are the some important topics are given related to the reproductive health. One by one we are going to discuss all this topic in detail. Okay, let's start. First one is nutrition needs of the body of the adolescents. Okay, which type of nutrition is needed by the adolescents? So here it is given, adolescence is a stage of rapid growth and development. This is the age of the rapid growth and development. The diet which contains adequate amount of essential nutrition like carbohydrates, fats, protein, minerals and vitamins sufficient for the normal growth and development of the body is called a balanced diet. So we have to take a balanced diet in our daily life, especially the adolescents, the girl or boy which are reaching to the age of adolescence. So they have to take a proper amount of balanced diet in which in their food essential nutrients like carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamins, everything were present in a proper amount. Okay, so the diet of the adolescent should include sugar, cereals, butter, ghee, oil for energy, milk, meat, nuts and pulses which provide proteins for the growth, fruits and vegetables for protection against disease. So these type of meal have to take one adolescent. In the Indian meal which consists of rice, dal, chapati and vegetables is a balanced diet. Okay, so an adolescents have to take proper amount of balanced diet in which every type of nutrition should be included. Okay, so this is a balanced diet we have to take in our daily life for the growth of our body, because the adolescence is the proper growth of our body. In this age our body require more amount of energy for the rapid growth of our body. Okay, so this is the age you have to take proper amount of food. That's why we people in the mess we are saying that all your teachers take proper amount of food. जो तुम लोगों को चक्कर वक्कर आ जाते हैं वो इसी वजह से आते हैं क्योंकि तुम लोग प्रॉपर अमाउंट ऑफ खाना नहीं खाते. तुमको जंक्स फूड बहुत पसंद है, चिप्स, चॉकलेट्स, वेफर्स, ये सब बहुत सारी चीज़ें पसंद है. सर दीज फूड नॉट कंटेनिंग प्रॉपर अमाउंट ऑफ बैलेंस डाइट. ओके, दैट्स वाई your parents, we the teachers are saying again and again, take a proper amount of food, because in this age you need a proper good habit of food for the growth of your body. Okay, hope you will all understand the topic. So you have to take proper amount of food in your daily life in which every nutrition should be there. Okay, balanced diet. Now balanced diet क्या होता है हम लोग क्लियर कर चुके हैं. The diet which contains adequate amount of essential nutrients like carbohydrate, fats, proteins, minerals and vitamins sufficient for the normal growth and development of the body is called a balanced diet. ओके, जैसे रोटी, दाल, pulses, milk and vegetables are a balanced diet. Fruits also provide nourishment. For infants, mother milks provide all the nourishment that they need. So different types of human beings at the different age need different types of balanced diet. For this new infant, for a baby, mother milk is a proper balanced diet. Okay, and in your age you have to need all type of vegetables, pulses, dal, roti, chawal, chapati. This is a balanced diet for the age of you people. Okay, the adolescence, because in this age your body shows the rapid growth. Okay, hope you will all understand what is balanced diet and which type of food you have to take. So this is the balanced diet of you, the adolescence age. Okay, now points to remember. Some points are here given, you have to remember these points. What are these points are, just 1 minute back I'm telling you these things which was given to as you to remember in your book also. Chips and packed food are or tinned snacks through very tasty should never replace regular meals, as they do not not have adequate nutrition value. As I told you that chips, packed or canned food through very tasty should never replaced रेगुलर मील्स, वो तुम्हारे रेगुलर मील्स को रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकते. ओके, ऑल दो दे आर टेस्टी, if you are taking, okay, it's okay, you are taking 1 or 2 packets in a day or 2 or 3 packets in a week, it will be fine, but this types of foods doesn't replace your daily meal. इससे पेट नहीं भर सकते हैं. ओके, they are although they are tasty, you can take as they are tasty. ठीक है, तुम उसको खा रहे हो, टेस्टी है, फाइन, अपने मुंह का टेस्ट बदलने के लिए खा सकते हैं थोड़ा सा एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए, बट this can't replace your daily meal. Okay, so we should not eat this type of junk foods daily or excess in our daily life, because this type of food doesn't replace our meals. We have to take a balanced diet for the rapid growth and for the health of our body. Okay, which type of food our body is required daily, we have to take it, because in this chips or packed food, they doesn't contain the balanced diet which our body needs. So we have to avoid these things, or we can take this into 2 or 3 in a week. Okay, now the second topic is personal hygiene. Personal hygiene very much required by every individual. ठीक है, अपने आप को पर्सनल मतलब खुद का अपने आप को साफ़ सुथरा रखना, अपने आसपास की चीज़ों का, द थिंग्स विच बिलोंग्स टू अस, उसको क्लीन रखना, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज पर्सनल हाइजीन. वी हैव टू मेंटेन दिस डेकोरम इन एवरी टाइम. ठीक है, इस टाइप की चीज़ों को हमेशा हमको मेंटेन करके रखना चाहिए, अपनी पर्सनल हाइजीन को. ओके, everyone should have a bath at least once every day. It is more necessary for the teenagers, because the increased activity of sweat glands sometimes make the body smelly. ठीक है, so here are some topics in your books as to given how to we have the given tips to maintain the personal hygiene. ठीक है, हमको डेली एक बार नहाना चाहिए, at least the adolescence, because the sweat glands, sebum glands, their activity, increased activity in this age only, and which gives our body a bad smell. ठीक है, हमको ये डेली नहाना चाहिए. सेकेंड, दे शुड ऑलवेज वॉश हैंड्स विथ सोप बिफोर एंड आफ्टर टेकिंग मील्स. खाना खाने से पहले और खाना खाने के बाद हमेशा अपने हाथ को साबुन से धोना चाहिए. दे शुड चेंज क्लोथ्स डेली. कपड़े डेली पहनने चाहिए, whether they are undergarments, your school dress, you have to clean yourself regularly. ठीक है, we have to clean and tidy. Girls should take special care of cleanliness during the time of menstruation. They should keep track of their menstrual cycle to be prepared for the onset of menstruation. So girls, especially girls, they have to take personal hygiene at the time of their menstruation. Cleanliness should be there. Okay, and you the girl have to maintain or track the time whether your menstrual cycle has to be next to be started, or maintain yourself, prepare yourself for the next menstruation. ठीक है, इस टाइप का पर्सनल हाइजीन गर्ल्स और बॉयज़ दोनों को रखना चाहिए. ठीक है, so this is your personal hygiene and you people have to take care of it. The next topic is physical exercise. Special care for girls we have discussed. Girls should take special care during during the time of menstrual flow. They should keep track of their menstrual cycle and to be prepared for the onset of menstruation. As I explained you clearly that the girls should take special care at the time of menstrual cycle and be prepared for the next flow also. ठीक है. सो ये अगर तुम ट्रैक करते रहोगे अपने टाइमिंग को कि अब ये दिस मंथ दिस मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल हैज़ टू बी स्टार्टेड इन दिस डेट, सो मीन बाय इन द नेक्स्ट साइकिल from this date or before 2-3 days back our menstrual cycle should be start. So you have to take care at that time very seriously. At that time you should have to take special care of cleanliness. ठीक है, अपना अच्छे से ध्यान रखो, साफ सुथरे रहो and maintain the cleanliness of your body. Okay, this is for girls and boys both. Okay students, so this is the personal hygiene which we have to take care in our daily life. Now the next topic of the same chapter is third, physical exercise. Okay, one should have to do physical exercise daily in their life. Walking and playing in fresh air keeps the body fit and healthy. All young boys and girls should take walk, exercise and play outdoor games. Nowadays you people were stuck with your मोबाइल फ़ोन चाहिए, टीवी चाहिए, हो गया सारा एक्सरसाइज वहीं पे हो गया. नो, बट इन योर एज all the boys and girls should have to do the physical exercise, running, walking, playing games, outdoor games. This will maintain, keeps your body fit and mind fit also. ठीक है, बॉडी ये सब जो फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज हम करते हैं ना, इससे हमारी बॉडी हमारी माइंड दोनों फिट रहेगी. They must play outdoor games, build up strong bones and muscles. Through these outdoor games our body muscles will be strong and the bones are also be strong. So one should have to do physical exercise in their daily life, especially the adolescence age of boys and girls, because this is the age of your growth of your body. So you have to do daily physical exercise, okay, which keeps your body and your mind fit. Okay students, so this is physical exercise. We have to keep this बोलना चाहिए this routine in our daily life. Okay, so this is physical exercise and we have to do the physical exercise in our daily life to make our body fit and healthy. Now say no to drugs. This is a very important topic. I have to explain you people, but if we are in class I will explain this topic in you very nicely and you people also understood it. But in this also I have managed to clear your doubts. And what is say no to drugs, ये क्या है, हम क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं, वो भी बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर करूँगी. So let's start. Adolescence is a period of much activity in the body and the mind, which is normal part of growing up. So don't feel confused or insecure. If anybody suggests that you will get relief if you take some drug, just say no unless prescribed by the doctor. So this is the age in which in our mind so many positive and negative things were going on. Many physical and mental and behavior you people observe in your body, in your mind. Okay, so at that time if anybody suggests you, कोई तुमको बोले कि लो ये drugs ले लो, you will get relief from this unwanted things were going on in your mind. So simply say no. ठीक है, बिल्कुल मना कर दो. कोई भी नशीली चीज़ तुमको लेने के लिए बोले, अरे सिगरेट पी ले ठीक हो जाएगा, अरे ये पान गुटखा तंबाकू खा ले ठीक हो जाएगा, बिल्कुल नहीं. इन सब चीज़ों से टोटली नो बोलो. अलग अलग टाइप की दवाइयाँ आती हैं, कुछ टैबलेट्स आते हैं, अरे इसको ले ले ठीक हो जाएगा, बिल्कुल नो. से टोटली नो अनलेस इट इज़ प्रिस्क्राइब बाय डॉक्टर. जब तक डॉक्टर तुमको कुछ प्रिस्क्राइब ना करे, ये सब नशीली चीज़ें को नहीं लेना चाहिए. दिस ऑल थिंग्स आर कॉल्ड एज ड्रग्स विच ब्लोन आवर माइंड सो नाइसली. कहीं भी हम उड़ रहे हैं, ये सारी चीज़ों को नहीं करना चाहिए. से सिंपली नो. अ पॉजिटिव एडोलेंस मस्ट से नो टू ड्रग्स, alcohol and tobacco, because these things cause many physical and mental disease. So this alcohol, tobacco, smoking, these all things are injurious to your health. ये अलग अलग डिजीज़ हमारी बॉडी में क्रिएट करते हैं. सो यू पीपल जस्ट सिंपली से नो टू दिस ड्रग्स. ओके, सो हियर आर सम important things which was given in your book. Drugs are addictive. If you take them once, you will feel like taking them again and again. They harm the body, they ruin health and happiness. ड्रग्स ऐसी चीज़ होती है ना, जब तुम एक बार लोगे ना तो वो तुमको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा और तुमको बार बार मन करेगा लेने का. बट अगर तुम उसके एडिक्टेड हो जाओगे तो तुम्हारी लाइफ पूरे ख़त्म कर देगा वो. So these drugs are so harmful to you. So when anyone suggests you, just say no. Smoking of tobacco in the form of cigarettes increase the risk of lung cancer and heart attack. Here are some diseases given related to the drugs. Tobacco chewing leads to oral cancer. Consumption of alcohol causes the serious damage of the nervous system. It also damages your liver. Okay. Now, the harmful drugs like cocaine, heroin and opium damage the nervous system and other organs of the body. So one should have to avoid these things, especially in this age, adolescence. Okay. If you are taking these drugs regularly, once you will feel happy, and day by day these drugs will totally destroy your happiness, your life, make you feel sick. तुम्हारी बॉडी, इंटरनल ऑर्गन, नर्वस सिस्टम को टोटली कंट्रोल कर लेंगे और तुम उससे बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान हो जाओगे. सो इफ़ एनीवन सजेस्ट यू, जस्ट से नो टू ड्रग्स. ओके. नाउ द लास्ट टॉपिक ऑफ द चैप्टर इज HIV AIDS. AIDS means acquired immunodeficiency syndrome and HIV means human immunodeficiency virus. Okay. So AIDS is caused by dangerous virus called HIV. This AIDS is caused by the virus HIV, which is called as human immunodeficiency वायरस. ठीक है. ह्यूमन की इम्यून सिस्टम को पूरा ख़त्म करके ये वायरस क्या करता है, एड्स कॉज करता है बॉडी में, विच इज़ कॉल्ड एज एक्वायर्ड इम्यूनोडिफिशियंसी सिंड्रोम. एक्वायर्ड क्यों? क्योंकि हम वो बाहर से हमारी बॉडी में आता है. दैट्स वाई दिस डिजीज़ इज कॉल्ड एज एक्वायर्ड immunodeficiency syndrome. So in adolescents must maintain the clean sex life to prevent the sexual transmitted disease. This is sexually transmitted disease, STDs. इसको sexually transmitted disease क्यों बोलते हैं? When someone have unprotected sex with the person who have AIDS, ठीक है, uncleanliness sex in your book it is clearly written, ठीक है, then this AIDS STD disease transferred from a diseased person to a healthy person. This is a communicable disease. Okay. रिलेटेड टू सेक्स डिजीज़ है, सेक्शुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीज़. ठीक है. अगर हम किसी के साथ अनप्रोटेक्टेड सेक्स में इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, इफ़ द पर्सन इज ऑलरेडी कॉज्ड बाय दिस HIV, सो दिस HIV ट्रांसफर्ड फ्रॉम अ sick person to a healthy person through sex, and it was also spread by so many following ways. Means here are through the transmission of blood from the person to infected person to a normal person. ठीक है. एक इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन से नॉर्मल पर्सन में अगर ब्लड का ट्रांसफ्यूज़न होता है, तब अगर मान लो किसी इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन को हम किसी इंजेक्शन से उसको इंजेक्ट किए हैं और वही नीडल हम दूसरे में भी यूज़ करते हैं, देन इट विल ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम सिक पर्सन टू अ हेल्दी पर्सन. द चिल्ड्रन ऑफ एड्स इन्फेक्टेड मदर में गेट दिस डिजीज़ फ्रॉम द मदर ब्लड्स. ठीक है. मान लो किसी की मम्मी को, इफ़ अ मदर इज़ इन्फेक्टेड बाय दिस एड्स, this disease transfer, this virus transferred to a children also through the mother blood. Okay. And this is also called a sexually transmitted disease due to it will also transfer to the sexual contact. So one should avoid all the things when the person is affected by this virus HIV and this disease AIDS. Okay. So this is HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. Okay. We have completed the chapter. Okay. Now let's start the multiple choice question, internal question of the same chapter from the page number 142. Let's start multiple choice question. The stage of growth and maturity from 11 years to 18 years of age is called adolescence. ठीक है. उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? So adolescence is the correct answer. Now the age at which a boy or a girl becomes sexually mature to reproduce is called puberty. The correct answer is puberty. Okay. Now the third one, both boys and girls reach their maximum height at the age of about 18 years. 18 years is the correct answer. Now fourth, during puberty girls have dash voice as compared to boys, high pitched voice as compared to boys. Okay. So you people complete your work. Hope you will all done your work clearly with the help of this video. ठीक है. जल्दी से अपना work complete कर लो. And the next internal question of the same chapter is given in the page number 146. In the page number 146, the next chapter given in your book. So let's start this one also. With the help of this video, please complete the internal question. Okay. So let's start page number 146. First one, a hormone secreted only in the male boy is testosterone. Okay, the correct answer is C, testosterone. Second, Adam's apple is the producing part of throat. ठीक है, correct answer is throat, C, throat. Third one, the XX chromosome type is found in females. In males, XY chromosomes is found, and in females, XX chromosome is formed. Fourth one, the voice depends during the puberty in case of males. ठीक है, मेल्स में जब एडम्स एप्पल प्रोड्यूस होता है तब उनकी वॉइस क्या होती है, डिपेंस हो जाती है. Now fifth one, insulin is secreted by pancreas. The correct answer is pancreas, A, pancreas. Okay students, hope you will all done your work in your book, and related to the chapter you have any queries, any doubt, just ask me or comment in the comment section. Class 8, please prepare for your क्लासेस अच्छे से करोगे तो एग्ज़ाम टाइमिंग में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. जो इतने सारे डाउट्स तुम लोग को निकलते हैं ना लाइव क्लासेस में, क्योंकि तुमको पता चल के टेस्ट हो रहा है. अब तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते क्योंकि हम लोग वीडियोस तो देखते नहीं है ढंग से. ठीक है, सो प्लीज़ सी द वीडियोस. आई एम टेलिंग to all the students, not only 1 or 2 of the students of class 8, please see the videos, listen the videos carefully and complete your work on time. So in the exam time you people doesn't face any problem. तुम लोगों को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. ठीक है, सो ऑल द बेस्ट ऑफ लक, टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ एंड सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास स्टूडेंट्स. थैंक यू सो मच.